Now changing set back to the right side. But, that's a beautiful play. Gets in the box. Oh, net. That's a beauty. That's a beauty from Smerane. It was coming. What a finish. He took the advantage. He was the player of this first half so far. What a player. What a finish. And Ayanda Mavuso could not control this. We are off the first set of this encounter. That's a beautiful finish from the number 7, Bonwa Simerane. Dlamini, that's what we want to see. You take on defenders, clinical, and you finish in the net. Mavuso struggling. I don't know if it's the injury. He couldn't do much.
Ufukile goalkeeper lapha besikhathe i-cross because from the tightest of angles lapha la ishaya khona umfoka Simelane lebhola leyo cishe kubhayiline mawuqhamuka kukhona flag ulibeka lapha ku-90 degrees uyalicedzelela goalkeeper uthi uyaliseva walifaka ekhathi uqeda kwenqa ngeshibobo lapha kule left back lesikhulume ngayo ukuthi idonsa amadima lapha ubuya ke le ku left flank ubuya esayidini lakhe la right flank umfoka Simelane ngibonga ugijime